Once allies in ambition, now enemies in ideology. The most powerful man in America and one of the richest men on earth, Donald Trump and Elon Musk, are no longer shaking hands. They are throwing punches. And in 2025, this is not just a personal feud, it is a national storm. This is the inside story of how a billionaire broke ranks, how a president pushed back, and how the entire nation is now watching what happens next. I'm Uma and welcome to Trendline Times. Let's break this down. It all began with President Trump's sweeping legislative move, a massive economic overhaul known as the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. On paper, it was a bold attempt to reshape America's fiscal structure. In practice, it set off a political firestorm. Analysts explained the bill would increase federal spending by over $2.4 trillion in a decade, drastically slashing funds for green energy and eliminating electric vehicle subsidies. And Elon Musk, he didn't hold back. He made it clear that he viewed the bill as a catastrophic mistake, one that betrayed the very future it claimed to build. On May 30th, Elon Musk officially resigned from his high-profile role as head of the Department of Government Efficiency. It was more than a resignation, it was a declaration of defiance. Musk said he could no longer support a government agenda that, in his view, stifled innovation and ignored history's lessons. And then came the bombshell. Musk did not just criticize the bill, he reportedly began urging lawmakers to consider impeachment proceedings against Trump. The political gloves were off. Trump hits back. Trump, never one to stay silent, responded with fury. He turned to Truth Social, his digital weapon of choice. He expressed bitter disappointment in Musk, claiming that he had once considered him a genius but now believed Musk was suffering from what he called a dangerous obsession with opposing Trump, a syndrome he said that many others shared. Trump went further, casting doubt on Musk's mental fitness, questioning his loyalty and warning that the billionaire was overstepping the line between business